At this point, let's now discuss the first stage of M phase known as the prophase stage. Okay, so you have the prophase stage. So in our example, there are four main significant events that occurred under the prophase stage. And let's try to discuss these events. Okay, so let's have the first one. So as you notice, you have the chromatin, which is the tangled version of the genetic material located inside the nucleus. So we have the chromatin, the tangled version. And observe carefully what will happen to the chromatin. So chromatin turned into chromosome. It becomes more organized through the process known as condensation. So the first stage is the chromatin fibers undergo the condensation process to form chromosomes. Okay? So this will be the representation of the chromatin on the left side, which is the tangled version of the genetic material that consists of the DNA molecule. And once it undergo condensation, it turns into an organized structure known as the chromosome, known as condensation. So chromatin condenses into chromosome. Hence, in this stage, chromosomes become more visible under the microscope. Okay, so let's have the next one. Take note with the structure, which is spherical in shape, that is actually violet, or let's say black in color. So this spherical body within the nucleus is known as the nucleolus. Okay, so as you notice, the nucleolus disappears. So this is the second event under the prophase stage. The nucleolus disappears. Okay, and then the next one we have, okay, take a look with the centrosome. Okay, so take a look with the centrosome, class. The centrosome, okay, produced the spindle fiber, okay, which is the mitotic spindle. So the mitotic spindle begins to form. So the thread-like structure, which is actually white in color, are the mitotic spindle. Okay, so the mitotic spindle begins to form. And take note that the mitotic spindle has three main parts. So there are three main parts. Okay, so we have the following. So the first part, okay, is known as the centrosome. As you notice, the centrosome consists of these proteins. Okay, these are actually made up of proteins known as the microtubules. Microtubules are actually proteins that extend from the centrosome. So if you will observe carefully, this long, let's say, fiber-like structure will be known as the microtubules, and they are made up of proteins, and they actually extend from the centrosome. On the other hand, the last part of the mitotic spindle, as you notice, you have shorter microtubules. These shorter microtubules are radial array, meaning to say the direction moves outward. Radial array of shorter microtubule known as aster. Okay, so these are the three main parts of the mitotic spindle. So you have centrosome, microtubules, and aster. Okay, and they are visible within the prophase stage. And then the last but not the least, so as you notice, the mitotic spindle moves away from each other, or let's say the centrosomes, or let's say the mitotic spindle move away from each other. Okay, so these are the four main events under the prophase stage. Okay, so let's try to review further the prophase stage. We have the following events. Number 1, the chromatin condenses to form chromosome. Number 2, the nucleolus disappears. The next, mitotic spindle begins to form. And then the last but not the least, the centrosome, or let's say the mitotic spindle as a whole, move away from each other.